Hi, boys and girls. It's a beautiful Friday. Eva, what are we doing on this beautiful Friday?
We're planting some garlic.
We are planting
some
some vegetables. This is our vegetable garden in our backyard, and Eva is going to be doing most of the work today. So, Eva, tell me what we're going to be planting in this row. What is this? What kind of lettuce do you know? So this is our spinach. This is what we call romaine lettuce. This is going to be our salad bowl green lettuce. This is our spinach. And this is called, yeah, it's a red lettuce. It's another salad bowl, red. So we're gonna have lots of yummy lettuce hopefully soon in the summertime that we can enjoy for our salads. All right, Miss Eva, the first thing we're gonna do is take out our seeds. Put 2 seeds in each hole, okay? How many do you have there, Eva? They're pretty tiny, right? All right, and then what do you need to do with the dirt?
Cover it.
Thanks for flattening that out. All right, just gonna poke a little hole. I want you to take 2 more seeds out. Eva, if we put 2 in that and we add 2 more, how many are we gonna have all together?
4.
That's right.
I have 1. Why are the seeds so tiny?
Why do you think the seeds are so tiny?
Right here?
Yeah, I think that's where you poked your hole, right? Isn't it kind of amazing that we can get big lettuce out of such a tiny little seed? All right, so you've done 2 holes. How many more holes are we going to add to this square? Yep, 2 more. We're going to have 4 holes all together. So where do you want to poke your other hole?
4 seeds and 4 holes.
2 seeds in 4 holes. We're going to count and figure out how many that is. All right, Eva, poke a hole.
Right here?
Yeah. All right.
Mama, can you hold it? Can you hold it?
Do you want to use my hand as a placer to make sure you have 2? Do you have 2?
Right here.
All right. So Eva, what do these plants need to grow?
Seeds and water.
What else do they need? Sunshine. And so what you notice, what is this, Eva, in the garden planter? What is that? Yeah, so this is here so we can get these plants the water that they need too, right? All right, so let's take another 2 because you have 2 more holes you need to fill. Eva's being very careful. Takes a lot of love to plant, grow your garden, right? And is this gonna just happen overnight? Are we gonna see lettuce tomorrow, Eva?
Yeah.
You think that's the way it works?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you think it's gonna take a lot of time?
I think it's going to take
For years? So we'll see our lettuce next summer? Or do you think we'll start seeing it this summer? I think probably this summer. Because you take some time to grow too, don't you? All right, we got one more to plant, one more hole. Where was your other hole? I don't even see it anymore, Eva. Where would it go? You did it!
We need a water.
Hi, well there you have it. Eva, did you have fun working in the garden? So while your kid may not want to do all this work all on their own or with you, even a little bit of time out in the garden and helping a little bit will go a long way. Provide some sunshine, help with stress relief. Eva, did you have a good time? Yeah, and it's helping you out. It's helping our environment out. It's teaching some good science skills as we make predictions about what's going to happen and we observe. We're taking part in the whole thing. And then the best part of all, when you start growing, we'll get to enjoy them, right? All right, enjoy springtime. We got lots of lovely days ahead. High five, ma'am.